In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the OBS virtual camera for Google Meet. This is an incredibly useful tool for anyone seeking to enhance their video presence with custom backgrounds or overlays, and it can greatly elevate the quality of your meetings. By the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly set up and use the OBS virtual camera in Google Meet quickly and efficiently. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Meet. If you aren't familiar, Google Meet is a video communication service that allows you to host and join video calls. Simply type meetgoogle.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. You'll find yourself on the Google Meet homepage, ready to start a call. Now that you're on the Google Meet page, your next step is to initiate a meeting. To do this, look for the Start an Instant Meeting button. It should be prominently displayed on the page. Clicking this will immediately open a new meeting, setting the stage for us to configure the OBS virtual camera. Once your meeting has started, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen, where you'll notice an icon resembling 3 vertical dots. This is your access point to more options within Google Meet. Click on it and a small menu will appear. From the menu, you'll need to access the settings. Simply click on the settings option, which is typically represented by a gear icon. This will open a new window where you'll be able to modify various aspects of your meeting. In the settings menu, you'll find several tabs. However, our focus will be on the video tab. Clicking on this tab is crucial as it allows us to select the video input source, in this case our OBS virtual camera. Upon opening the video tab, you'll see an option for camera. Once clicked, it will display a list of available cameras connected to your device. This is where we'll integrate the OBS virtual camera into Google Meet, enhancing our video quality and capabilities. The last step is to select the OBS virtual camera from the list of available cameras. If you've already installed and set up OBS on your computer, the OBS virtual camera option should appear here. Simply clicking on it will configure Google Meet to use OBS as the video input source for your meeting. And that's it, you've successfully set up the OBS virtual camera for Google Meet. This setup not only allows for more creative video presentations, but also gives you the flexibility to control and customize your meeting visuals through OBS. Take advantage of the powerful features OBS offers and impress your meeting participants with professional looking video feeds. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials, and feel free to explore the endless possibilities that OBS brings to your virtual communications.